Welcome to Royal Mechanica. Today we are going to see about shoe duct drafting in HVAC. Shoe duct drafting can be done in two methods. So let us see how we can do drafting of shoe duct by using two methods. Very simple and easy to understand. So let us see the drafting part. So as you can see, this is the main duct and we have a shoe duct here. For shoe duct you have to take the length of shoe duct as 6 inches, and this angle should be 45 degree, should be maintained. So we have to draw this shoe duct by using two methods. So let us see how to do by using two methods. First method is first method. Suppose I have a main duct here, main duct here, and the air is flowing from here to here. It is passing in this direction. The flow of air is in this direction. So first, for drawing shoe duct, I will take a line tool first. Click here, ortho on. Take the length of shoe duct as 6 inches. So in meters it will be 0.1524 meter. 0.1524 meter. Enter. Again extend it. Now we have to take here 45 degree. We can do it very easily here. What we need to do is we have to take offset now. Offset distance we have to take same as 6 inches, 0.1524 in meters. That okay. I'm extend here. Now you have to take line tool and join from here to here. Join from here to here. Delete this. So I will measure the distance here first. Angular distance. It is 45 degree, as you can see. This is 45 means it is one remaining will be 135, right? So distance is 45 degrees. So this is first method. This is first method. We have drawn the shoe duct, and the shoe duct has to be drawn in the direction of flow of air. So it is passing from here. So we have to take shoe duct from here. If it is passing from here, you have to take shoe duct here. Okay. It depends on direction of flow of air. Now second method is slightly different. You have to take line L of 6 inches length, 0.1524 in meters. Okay. So I'm joining here 6 length. Okay. After that, now we don't need to go for offset. Now what we need to do is we have to take a circle here. Circle of radius 6 inches. Of radius 6 inches. And specify this point here. That is connected to the main duct. Specify this point and take radius as 6 inches, 0.1524. It is in meters. My diagram is in meters, so I have converted. Now what you need to do is take a line here, from join from this end to this end. Okay. Now trim the things. and measure the angle again. It is 145. So these are the two methods by which you can draw the shoe duct. Simple and easy to draw. Finally you have to draw like this. No need of this line. This is the procedure for drafting shoe duct. Method 1 and method 2. Thank you.